Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Justin and I like motorbikes. And today I want to talk about saving weight. Yeah, I could use it too. And I'm working on that, but I'm actually talking about this. My 2024 Husky Norden 901 Expedition. Granted, it is naked right now, and I promise that's going to change here shortly. More videos to come, so if you're interested, please subscribe. It really helps out the channel and you'll find out why the bike is naked. But what I'm actually talking about when it comes to saving weight is this center stand. It's been a great thing to have over the years I've had this bike, but now I think it adds some unnecessary weight and it kind of takes away some of the ground clearance of the bike. So I'm contemplating pretty heavily getting rid of it. That being said, center stands make it a lot easier to do chain maintenance, and they also make it a lot easier to patch a tire. So what am I gonna do to make up for that lack of center stand? While I know there are several options, let me show you the one that I've chose. This is the TrailTech Adventure Stand. I bought it from Vanash Motorsports. I'm sure you can find them lots of places, and at Vanash it was $79. I was buying something else, saw it, thought it might be a good solution, and decided to take the leap. It's super lightweight, aluminum, obviously. Comes with a carrying bag, which will fit great in whatever size soft luggage I choose to go with. More on the soft luggage thing coming later on as well. And comes with all the accessories you need. The strap to hold your front brake. I'll show you why that's important here in a little bit. And a pin to set the height of the stand initially. So how does this work? Well, simply put, it goes under the rear of your swing arm and becomes the right-hand side using your kickstand as the left-hand side and allows you to put your wheel up in the air. You're not gonna get your back tire or wheel up in the air as much as you would, say, on a center stand. You could, but there's no need. But it gets it up high enough that you can spin it, do chain maintenance, and also patch a tire if you need to. Is it a total replacement for a center stand? No. But I think it may be good enough. And what I'm going for with this is definitely good enough. So the first thing that we do is wrap this Velcro strap around our front brake lever or lever. It, in a sense, locks the front brake and keeps the front of the bike from rolling when it's up on the stand. Now you can see that that's locked in place, and now we can put the stand under our swing arm. When we're putting the stand above the swing arm, we want to lift the back of the bike. And more specifically, we want to pivot the back of the bike. I'm going to steady it with my foot and then push up on the handlebar to lift the bike. There's a bit of ballet that goes on in here. And that's probably the biggest problem with using a center stand by yourself, is that there has to be a bit of a balance. So let's try that again. There we go. And now our center stand is installed. The key is to set it as close to the height you want before you try to put it under the swing arm, because that way you don't have to try to adjust while you're trying to move it. There's, like I said, a bit of a ballet, and this is the third time I've done it, so yeah, I'm improving. But let me bring you a little bit closer and show you a couple things about this particular TrailTech Adventure Trail Stand. So you can see, I hope, that it has holes that pin goes through. And that allows you to set the height. And I happen to know that mine uses the third hole, which gets me plenty of height on my rear wheel. So now you can see that I am far enough off the ground I can spin it. If I needed to do chain maintenance, I could do that here. And the bike's stable. And As big as the Norden is, and it's got probably a half tank of fuel in it right now, but as big as the Norden is, it's very well balanced. So when we're finished doing our tire maintenance, chain maintenance, whatever we need to do, we simply lift the bike up, the stand falls away, put the bike back down, put our things away, and we're good to go. It's not as good as a center stand. It's considerably lighter though. And to me, I think that's what I'm going for. So there you have it. There's my dilemma. Do I take off the center stand and use that portable side stand and know that I'm going to be giving up a little bit of convenience for a little bit of weight savings and a bit of ground clearance? Or do I leave the center stand and just accept the fact that it is what it is? What would you do? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you've made it this far, please consider giving us a like. If you're curious what else we've got coming down the pipe, consider subscribing. It's free, and I'll do my very best to earn your time here on YouTube. If it's conducive to ride where you are, please go out and do so safely. Hoping Mother Nature will stop giving us false springs and start giving us some real spring, and then hopefully a real summer full of riding opportunities. But for now, I'm going to go back to working on my bikes, and I'll see you next time.